Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you about the fourth chapter of chemistry. The name of fourth chapter is carbon and its compound. For class 10th, the last our video classes for class 10 was fifth video. So today it is your sixth video for class 10. The last video was given by me on the topic for what are the factors which are responsible for finding the large number of compounds. Today I am going to discuss about, today my topic is hydrocarbon. Name of topic. Today name of topic is hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? We draw the single line between O letter and C. Our hydrocarbon is divided into two parts, hydro and carbon. It means the compounds which are made up from hydrogen and carbon. Hydro for hydrogen and carbon. It means कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से बने हुए कंपाउंड को हम लोग हाइड्रोकार्बन कहते हैं. Once again I am describing it. Those hydrocarbon, yeah, we can say that the compounds which are made up from hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbon. Hydro for hydrogen and carbon for carbon. It means hydrogen और कार्बन से बने हुए यौगिक को, कंपाउंड को, हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन से बने हुए कंपाउंड को हम लोग हाइड्रोकार्बन कहते हैं. Our hydrocarbon is classified into two types. Our hydrocarbon is classified into two types. Aliphatic hydrocarbon and cyclic or ring compound. Our aliphatic hydrocarbon is further classified into two types. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Our unsaturated hydrocarbon is further classified into two types, alkene and alkyne. Our unsaturated hydrocarbon is further classified into two types, alkene and alkyne. Yes. Our cyclic, or we can say that the ring compound is further classified into two types. First is our carbocyclic. Our cyclic, or we can say that ring compound, is further classified into two types, कार्बोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड एंड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड। एंड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक C/C साइक्लिक C/C LIC C/C LIC heterocyclic compound। Our cyclic or ring compound is further classified into two types, carbocyclic compound and heterocyclic compound, and again our carbocyclic compound is further classified into two types. First is alicyclic compound and second part is our aromatic compound। alicyclic compound and aromatic compound। Once again I am saying that our cyclic or ring compound is further classified into two types, carbocyclic compound, heterocyclic compound। Again our carbocyclic compound is further classified into two types, alicyclic compound and aromatic compound। These are the classification of hydrocarbon into different parts. All students will try to remember it। So now I am coming on discuss about our aliphatic hydrocarbon। Our aliphatic hydrocarbon containing straight chain, branch chain। It means we can say that those hydrocarbon which are containing open chain, open carbon chain, है ना। हमारा एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन में ओपन चेन और ओपन चेन होता है एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन में, और साथ ही साथ इसमें जो कार्बन कार्बन एटम होते हैं और जो अदर एटम उसके साथ अटैच होते हैं वो स्ट्रेट चेन अथवा ब्रांच चेन, यानी आवर एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन इज ऑल्सो containing straight chain plus branch chain। एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन में आपको स्ट्रेट चेन होता है और ब्रांच चेन होता है। इट मींस एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन आर दोज हाइड्रोकार्बन in which carbon compounds, it means we can say that carbon are attached with covalent bond through straight chain और branch chain। यानी एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन में स्ट्रेट चेन होता है तथा ब्रांच चेन होता है। Now our aliphatic hydrocarbon is further classified into two types, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon। सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन हम लोग कहते हैं दोज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन विच कार्बन कार्बन एटम्स आर ज्वाइंट विथ सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड आर सेड टू बी सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन। दोज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड और वी कैन से दैट द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन विच carbon carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bond are said to be saturated hydrocarbon। For example, alkane। Saturated alkane is also known as saturated hydrocarbon। The general formula of alkane is CnH2n+2। अल्केन फैमिली का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है CnH2n+2 After putting the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we get the different member of alkane family, or we can say that saturated hydrocarbon family. Another part is our unsaturated hydrocarbon. Those hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined with double bond or triple bond and other carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bond are said to be unsaturated hydrocarbon. अनसेचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन को हिंदी में हम लोग असंतृप्त हाइड्रोकार्बन कहते हैं, और सेचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन को हिंदी में हम लोग संतृप्त हाइड्रोकार्बन कहते हैं। हिंदी के केमिस्ट्री के किताब में आप देखेंगे तो लिखा हुआ है सेचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन को संतृप्त हाइड्रोकार्बन और अनसेचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन को असंतृप्त हाइड्रोकार्बन कहलाता है। तो दोज organic compound in which two carbon atoms are joined with double bond or triple bond and other carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bond are said to be unsaturated hydrocarbon. Our unsaturated hydrocarbon is further classified into two types, alkene and alkyne. What is alkene? The unsaturated hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined with double bond. Two carbon atoms are joined with double bond and other carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bond are said to be alkene. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. After putting the value of, if we put the n equal to 1, the compound obtained is unstable compound. So, if we want to get the different member of alkene family, we start putting the value of n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इस तरह से 2 पहला जो हम रखेंगे n बराबर 2, 3, 4 इस तरह से रखते जाएंगे तो हमको अलग अलग मेंबर की प्राप्ति होते जाएगी अल्कीन फैमिली का। उसी तरह से हमारा अल्काइन, द अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन इन विच टू कार्बन एटम्स आर ज्वाइंड विथ triple covalent bond and other carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bond are said to be alkyne. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n-2. आफ्टर सिमिलरली जैसे हम लोगों ने अल्केन में n बराबर 2, 3, 4, 5 पुट किया है अलग अलग मेंबर को प्राप्त करने के लिए, ठीक उसी तरह इस अल्काइन में भी अगर हम n बराबर 1 पुट करेंगे जनरल फार्मूला में तो जो हमको कंपाउंड प्राप्त होगा वो अनस्टेबल होगा। तो इसलिए स्टेबल कंपाउंड की प्राप्ति n बराबर 2, 3, 4, 5 पुट करने पर प्राप्त होती है। तो आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, we get the different member of alkyne family. So once again I am saying the general formula of saturated hydrocarbon, or we can say that alkane also it has single bond. It is also called alkane or alkane. Saturated hydrocarbon is also called alkane. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n, and the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Now today, my 6th video for the topic hydrocarbon is going to finish. In the next topic, I shall discuss about the cyclic or ring compound and other their parts, carbocyclic, heterocyclic, एलिसाइक्लिक एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. नाउ थैंक्स स्टूडेंट, धन्यवाद. ऑल्सो बाय बाय.